I make a walk around in the sunlight later, just so you can see it in different lights. If you want to be in every picture. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Vladimir wants to be in all the pictures, all the videos. What I got here for you today is a super nice 1979 Ford F-150. I think it's a Ranger. Let me check the side. It's got a big Smitty built 9,500 pound winch. Yeah, it is a Ranger. Is that 351 or a 400? I'm not sure on that. It's got a nice set of tires, and I think those are like a 90s, like a 95 to 97, I don't know, 94 to 98 somewhere. Ford type rim. It's got a nice fresh bed liner in it, and nice back bumper. Lights all over the place. This thing somebody put a lot of money into, and it shows. And the inside, they put money in there too. Like I say, it ain't perfect, but it's a super nice truck. And that's pretty much a once around. My name is Nathan, oneownercarguy.com. You can call me anytime, 406-546-8748. And I'm going to go around and show you any little damages and stuff. And I'll do some stuff in here tomorrow where the sun's out. We can see it in a different light. Ding here, ding here, ding here. Just small little dings. The paint is kind of fading, burnt in areas, I guess you'd say. There's a little chip right there. And this here, you can see a little, we didn't rub this out or nothing. And honestly, I'd sand it down and repaint the grill thing. But underneath the front, whoa! Underneath the front, nice and clean.
Cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
You want to be in all the videos, huh?
Yeah.
95 pound RC XRC winch by Smitty Built. Hey, I gotta make a video, buddy. LED lights with new surrounds, it looks like. That grill's been replaced or is pretty fresh. All the wiring, everything's good on that. There's miscellaneous small little dings and stuff, and just general fading to the paint. It's an older paint job. It's been redone at a certain point, but it's just an old redone. Little chips around there, chips and little chips and scratches. As far as dings going down the side, there's like a ding here, a couple there. Pretty straight. I'll go back at it from this side. I'll show you tomorrow too in the sun. Beautiful sunset. They kind of lied to me. They said sunset was about an hour and a half after. Maybe they think I'm in a different place. All the wheel wells and everything. Clean. Frame. Got headers. I think it's got some sort of a lift on it. Yeah. I think it's definitely got a little bit of a lift on it. I'm not sure. Looks a little higher than normal. The top's got some fading. Really clean. Got some clearance lights. It's a cool option. I like the clearance lights on them. All the glass, all good and all. Window sweeps are pretty tight. They're dry. And just general fading. Looks like, well, basically, it looked about the same when we got it, but someone polished it and then we polished it. The paint's just really old, and it's just kind of a different color in this spot. And I'll bet you a guy could actually put the boots to it and polish it good and proper. It'd be good. Bumper has a little bit of a dink in it, kind of tilts up. You can see it right there. That's a little off. Lights are good. Has a hitch. That plug. Lights. Something must have got just a little off. Kind of. And we didn't try. What we should have done is hooked a chain up here, straighten this thing out, because it is real straight. Brand new. What would you call it? Roll-in bed liner. Rhino lining type competitor. And a little corrosion there. No tailgate for it. I don't have it. The paint's pretty light in those areas. Let me show you the back. Clean truck. Going down this side, a couple dings like right there, there. A ding above the door handle. What are you doing, bud? You're crazy. It's all pretty clean. It's clean around the wheel wells too. All the trim, pretty straight on it. I should take a look, see if there's a little gink in the trim there. So little minor things. I'm trying to be as thorough as I can. And somebody was expecting just to see a little tiny dink there. Expecting to see just a review. Like, this is how awesome they are. That's not me. I want to show you. I didn't see that. I was looking for dings. I wasn't focused on that. I was noticing here, I don't know if I showed you these scratches, chips in the paint. I know I showed you the ones there, but also this one here, I showed you where it's a bit knucked up, I think. It's like it's all dented. It's not Bondo. It's just, it's wrinkled. I don't know, it's like it got hit by rocks or maybe it got bent out and they tapped it back, but you can hardly see it. I did not see it last night, and I showed you the little dings and scratches. Ain't a lot to say about it, man. It's clean, clean truck. So, a little warped there. Like maybe it was bent. That's about it. All the black lining for the middle is wearing out in certain spots. You know what? I'm just gonna go around this way. A little slice in the paint there. And that's a couple dings right up on the top by that clearance light. Little scratches here and such. Clean in here. You can tell it's just fresh metal because they've drilled some holes in it. Probably put a rubber thingy or something. That is all metal, baby. Not a rusty rig at all. It's clean, clean, clean. And with that, I'm gonna go right to showing you the interior because it's the perfect time. Dual tanks. The interior's clean. This door panel, it's got a little chip right here. There's no screws or anything in it, which I think somebody ordered these and put them in. Little chips and miscellaneous just surface type stuff where the paint chipped off. Door panels, I mean door jambs, very clean. Even this stuff, the weather stripping is nice. Floor, no wear on the pedals. That one's upside down, they might have replaced that. And look at that, just no wear on that, man. So, well, I mean, they put a new carpet kit in it. That's why there's no wear. Starting to get thin there. You get a hole there. And a slice right there. Other than that, I'll show you on the other side. Clean seat. All kinds of... I'm going to have to show this in the day, maybe. All kinds of stuff up here. I just can't show it. I don't have a light. This side is super clean also. Door panel, great condition. I got these set of floor mats in it, but the carpets, like I said, have been replaced, and they're in great shape. On the seat, there's a tear here and a little fraying here. And all the bottom part is in great condition except for that part on the other side. So it's in really, really good shape. The headliner, you know, maybe if I get my phone out. Hang on a second here. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Check that out. And like 6,000 other videos on my channel. That might help, but yeah. It's even got the trim and all. Got this nice thing up here that says Ford. Little pockets. Let me get this in here. Unit in. CB. All these lights are functional pretty much. There might be, it's a flip off one. Hanger for that. Got a Pioneer radio. Surround's not so great, but it is what it is. Little kitty cat type thing. Let me pull this off and show you the dash. You could put a new foam pad on it. That wouldn't hurt it one bit. But it's pretty straight, just some cracks. That's that little dent in the, I think that's the speaker grill there. Under the hood is in great shape. Like I said, it's either a 351 or a 400. And everything's been redone on this thing. It's just an older redone. It's got headers. And yeah, that's pretty much under the hood. Not been decked out or anything under here, but it's all, in fact, they probably redid the outside and this part's all original. I'm not 100%, but it kind of looks like, it doesn't look like they actually repainted the front. It looks like they might have touched up the bed from what we had figured out, like around here and stuff. But I'm not really 100% sure. I know up here, looks different kind of, this looks all original right here, just 100%. That's the deal. That's under the hood. We'll go for a test drive tomorrow. Oh yeah, and this hood, it's just so up and down easy. Let me get, oh yeah, see, you got the really cool. You gotta kind of wiggle it sometimes. Okay, we'll be back tomorrow and I'll show you everything on the test drive. What are you doing? Whoa, dude! What are you doing? Be careful on that fire truck, young man. Be careful. All right. I'm out here at the nice, bright, shiny part of the day. And nice early morning. And taking a video in the sun. Good looking truck no matter when you put it out in the sun, in the shade. Looks good. Clean. I went around the walk around. You've already seen that. Sometimes I don't know how I'm going to edit this together. Depends on if I do the daytime first, the nighttime first. This one's kind of backwards, but you're getting the idea. You're seeing every part of it. And like, you know, like I say, besides little in here, the paint, I think they repainted this back and they like taped it off. So there's a little bit of rough edge or something right there. And besides the little dings here and there, a couple on the door. And like in the daytime here, with the more light, I can see a couple little more dings than I did last night. But that's the truck. Bedliner looks great. Freshly put in. This is not stained. It's just water that's set. And cotton. We have these cottonwood trees out here. They throw all the cotton up. But it looks beautiful. Nathan, 406-546-8748. I think it's got a little bit of a lift on it. I'm not sure. I know it's got a stabilizer shock on the front. And I know these arms right here look like they're dropped down a little bit farther maybe. Not 100%. Has a nice ride to it and has a nice stance. So that's in the daytime to give you a different look at it. It just depends on the time of day. It was hard for me to get the upper balance here last night because it was just too dark. So I'm gonna go out and do a test drive here. But that's above you in this truck. Also has mood lights. This controls all the outside lights. How do you control them? Oh, you gotta turn the main switch on. And then this turns all this on. That one, I don't know about. Okay, this thing's got a granny low in it. And I'll start it for you when I get back to the place. Kind of forgot to do that. You honestly don't even need first gear when just driving around town. With a plum pull the bark off a tree. Yeah, you don't want to downshift to second. I mean to first unless you're going too fast. I mean if you're, unless you're going pretty slow. Sorry about that. It is just granny low, so usually on something like this I start off in second. It's cold right now. She does just fine. And I'll do you one here where I just kind of start off in second. Show you what it does. It's actually the perfect starting place. Ain't gonna get going too fast on here. Speedometer and all that works. I ain't scared of off-roading it. It's definitely a tight truck, but so I'm not gonna get on the highway here. But it is a nice truck. It rides nice. Suspension feels good. Kind of hard to film in a manual when you're holding the camera. There's my son sitting on the motorcycle. Hi, buddy. He loves this truck. He says it's fast. It's powerful. Very powerful. And I told you when I got back I'd do a startup for you because I didn't do it. And does that work? Horn is not hooked up. It's right now. It's still a little cold right now because that's just started it up and went. Got to place a diamond plate. A couple over that. I gotta show you that startup just one more. I'm not even gonna touch the pedal. None on the pedal. So, great truck. Look, got the little, this guy on it. And depending on what year and style you like, if you like a brick nose, I left my door open. It closes, everything's tight on this truck. This one here, look at this. Absolutely no wear. So clean. Pedals, clean. This here, shows 76. Clean as can be inside. Manual 4x4 single cab. Basically the same damn truck 10 years later. Nice set of Michelins on it. I think it's only got 5,000 miles on it. Look at this. It's been pulled around by the snowplow. And not only that, I've got all kinds of trucks coming up. All kinds of them. We got a dually 250 stretch cab brick nose. I got a 97 OBS, 96 F-250 4x. This is a F-250 4x 5-speed, 5.8. And then we got a W250 Dodge and a Chevy GMT 400 5-speed 454 4x4. Same thing there, 5-speed 454 5-speed. Boom, got it. Thanks for watching, showing you all the stuff. Got a bunch more coming up too. Keep on subscribing or liking and commenting, or do it if you haven't. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.